Hello everyone, today is Friday, September 2nd. It's an end of week video based on the last few installments of letting the market go lower and understanding how we can take advantage of this. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Let's not trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Talk to your broker, understand there are risks involved. So when you look at the last few days, and if you compare the videos that I put out a few days ago, sequentially, this large candle indicated that we're ready to go, and from that point forward, the market just kept on going lower. And I've also referenced these candles over here, saying that this is a good indication of what the market wants to go, the distance it wants to travel. Now, that being said, we still need to understand that it's not just selling and holding it, it's really waiting for that perfect opportunity. Now, as a day trader, intraday trading, you could have definitely held on to this if your account size was large enough and just held on to it as the market kept on going lower. I believe it still needs to go further down and needs to go lower, probably going to test these lows on support. Again, I have to say, it's not just throwing yourself into the market as a seller or a buyer. As a day trader, you can buy or sell throughout the day. You can make the same amount of money if the market goes up or if the market goes down. You just have to be right on the direction. So as an example, if I put here as an opportunity here, this is a 1 minute chart where I'm making this video. And so we're heading into the weekend, but looking at an opportunity to be a seller or a buyer, let's just add here something like the Trade Scalper. Very popular. A lot of traders use the Trade Scalper to help them understand what's happening in the market. And we're not really going to focus too much on what has just happened here because this is aftermarket. It's going to the weekend. I'm not really focused so much on this, and the market's slow as well. When you look at this here, this is a slower time frame. This is not what I'm interested in looking at. What I am interested in looking at is an opportunity to sell whenever it exists. And so if you look here back after 12 o'clock, which I call the B part of the day, it's a method, it's a system I call the ABC trading system. You can learn more about it, but typically after 12 o'clock or after the first 2.5 hours, the market is on a different direction. And what we have here is a number of candles all selling, and the system, the Trade Scalper, also indicating to be a seller. So this is a great indication that it's ready to go. We already have this idea the market wants to go down. We just have to wait for that perfect opportunity and to take advantage of it. Now, I like to always trade with very specific entries and prices and having targets. So one of the things that you can add if you're not willing to hold on to this is something called the ATR, the average true range. I talk about it. I probably have over 500 or 600 videos where I always have the ATR, the average true range, discussed or at least on the chart. And really what this tells me is what the expectation of the market could do. So each of these opportunities, if you look here, you're looking at about 3.5 points. So really the correlation happens to be when this signal and when this candle appears, what is the market able to achieve as far as a distance? And so in this case it would be about 3.5, 3 3/4, even 3 points if you want to make it simple. Over here it's a little bit more volatile, 5 points. You may want to skip it if it's too volatile for you, but this is the expectation, about 5.5 point distance that the market could travel. And if you look at where the market went from this point forward, it went more than 5 points. So you're always looking at why you're entering. So we have a specific entry, and you're looking at another situation is how far will the market move, the distance. And so the ATR is a great way, using the average true range of the last 4 candles. So you can see that I'm using a setting of 4. And that would be the same whether you're looking at a 1 minute chart, a 5 minute chart, a daily chart. So those are in relationship to the chart that you're using and the time frame. And even if you look here the ATR was about 5.5. How far did the market move after this candle closed? Definitely we're looking at least 5 points. It moved 9. And the same thing is true here. If you looked at this double wick short, actual signal from the Trade Scalper to go short, how far can it move? Your anticipation is 4 points. This is a long signal. Obviously, it's a loser. And then here we go, once again, another short signal, another opportunity. So there's a lot of different ways that you can approach trading throughout the day. You can be a buyer or a seller, but if you're only looking for sells or only looking for buys, have a reason and then take the signals that go along with it. Now, in addition to this, I always talk about combining methods. So it's a good idea to see if there's something else in relationship to what we have here that could also help us be a buyer or seller, just keep us on the right track. So I'm just going to add here the Atlas line, DayTradeToWin Atlas line, which is right over here. The Atlas line and the Trade Scalper, all these methods are proprietary with DayTradeToWin, so you can find them at DayTradeToWin.com. And what we have here is price, according to the rules, trading below the Atlas line. And once again, if that's the case, and the idea is to only be a seller when both of these are on the right track, you have a great way, a great opportunity to find these signals, the trades that you want, as long as the risk is in check, right? So very important to know about risk when it comes to looking at the specific trades. If the risk is too much, leave it alone. Now, prior to that, you can see here in the morning that the market did go up. If you're above the Atlas line, it's going to give you long signals, and at that point, you may want to only take long signals until things change, and in fact, they did change here. So this is a recap of Friday. I also wanted to show you the recap of the previous week where we anticipated the market to go down, and it in fact went down. I'll add something else here, not to clutter the chart, but I'll just remove here everything off the chart. And let's take a look at one last method. So I'm just going to remove here everything off the chart so we can take a really good close look at the roadmap or the blueprint. Again, proprietary software from DayTradeToWin. Let's take a look here. This would be the blueprint. The blueprint software is interesting because it provides a breakout strategy based on the market either heading higher or heading lower in these increments like a staircase. This is included with mentorship, and it's great for both day trading and swing trading. So here we have, I'm just going to expand this out here, the signals for the blueprint, which are the shaded areas of the market stalling, and then the breakout, the continuation. The shaded area of the market stalling, and then the breakout, the continuation, and so on and so on. Now, there are rules that come along with this, and you have to obviously follow and take the training to understand how to manage these trades. But essentially what we're seeing here is the blueprint software on a intraday 1-minute chart. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Learn about the methods and the trading systems we have to offer. Join the next mentorship class. It's all inclusive. It includes all the indicators and the software that DayTradeToWin provides, along with 8 weeks of live trading. And you have your own member account where you can watch all the pre-recorded training sessions at your own time, your own leisure, so you can learn on your own, and then you can take the live classes when you're ready. My name is John Paul. Have a great weekend. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.